Do you have an error with the Libgmpxx.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get your scientific or mathematical software working again. Before we begin our Libgmpxx walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This DLL file is the C++ wrapper for the GNU Multiple Precision Arithmetic library. It allows C++ developers to use standard operator overloading for high-precision math, simplifying the development process. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. A damaged or incomplete installation of your scientific or mathematical software can cause this error. Reinstall the latest official version of your scientific or mathematical software to restore required files, such as the Libgmpxx.dll. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Libgmpxx file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for the Libgmpxx.dll that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing the Libgmpxx dependencies. If your workstation is back online and the Libgmpxx is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.